Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a landing page with Canva full 2026 guide. It's really simple, even if you've never designed a page before. So, yeah, let's dive right in. First, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one, it's free and quick to create. Once you're in, click the Create a Design button and search for Landing Page in the template search bar. Now browse the landing page templates. You can pick any style you like, modern, minimal, colorful, whatever fits your project. Click the template to open it in the editor. Once the template is open, you can start customizing. Change the text, swap images, adjust colors, and add your own branding. Canva makes it really intuitive. Just click on any element and start editing. You can also add buttons, links, forms, or other interactive elements depending on what your landing page needs. This helps make it functional, not just pretty. Once your design looks good, click the Preview button to see it in action. If everything's fine, hit Publish as website or download it in your preferred format. And yeah, you're done. And that's it. You've successfully created a landing page with Canva for 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick design guides.